By the end of this session, we should be well aware of how to create a role, how to update a custom role, how to copy a role and create a custom role. Understanding roles in Fusion application. So roles are privileges assigned to users to perform specific action in the applications. Also, roles grant certain privileges, not preventing actions. Understanding each role type enhances the design elegance in Fusion applications. From the image you can see we have mentioned as duty role, job role, abstract role. So we have various type of roles in Oracle Fusion. First is duty role. These are also known as application roles, and these are the granular duties performed by the individuals. Examples are invoice creation duty or invoice approval duty, GL general posting duty. It is like saying to a new staff that you can perform XYZ duties within your job, or it's your duty to perform XYZ things in your organization. The name of this role has the suffix underscore duty. Whenever you see a role, it will have like underscore duty. The duty role privileges access to screens, reports, and dashboards via privileges and provide access to data behind the screen using the data security. So from the image, you can see data roles, job roles, duty role, abstract role, and then we need to give the access as well. This roles give some access to certain data. Second is job role. These are also known as enterprise roles. Earlier was application role. These roles get mapped to one or more duty roles because person that takes a job in a company, they are meant to perform several duties. For example, a HR recruiter job will have a duty to scan resume, submit it and place an offer to an individual. The name of this role has the suffix underscore job. Some examples are account payable manager job, general ledger accounting manager job. So job roles are also referred to as external roles. Third one is abstract role. These are also known as enterprise roles. These roles are associated with a user irrespective of job they perform within an enterprise. Therefore, abstract role are at the higher level, spanning various jobs, and hence their name is abstract. Example, employee role, because employee role have multiple functions that can be performed, so it's abstract role, or it have many sub roles, or we say temporary staff role. An organization might decide to automatically assign an expense entry duty role to all employees, likewise may decide to auto provision timesheet entry duty role to all contract workers. Similar to job roles, the abstract roles are also referred as an external roles. So you can see data role, job role, abstract role, all are interlinked. Let's see how to create a role. We need to navigate to navigator, this left side three horizontal lines, that burger icon. Click on that, that's navigator. Then go to tool section and then select the option of security console. Once you are on this page, which you can see on the screen, on the left side, the first option is roles. Click on that. And on right side, you can see a button create role. So once you click on that button, create role window will open. Once create role window opens, it is the basic information page where you have to enter the roles name, role code, role category, and if you want to maintain some description, you can. And then once these are filled, click on this next button. We need to add the functional security policies. It is the second train stop. We call it as train stop as we have learned earlier. So from the left side, you can see the plus button highlighted. Add functionality security policy. So here you can add this and then you can go to the next button. In the data security policies, there's no need to add anything extra. Just click on next. The role hierarchy page shows the hierarchy of your custom rule in tabular format by default. You can add one or more aggregate privileges, job roles, abstract roles, or duty roles to this role, this custom role what we are creating. When creating a job or abstract role, you add aggregate privileges. Roles are always added directly to the role that you are creating. So you can add the role by clicking on this add role button, and once you are done, click on the next button. On the users page, we can add the user to whom we want to assign the role that we are creating. Once you added the user, click on next. This is a summary page, whatever you have done in this particular role creation process. Review it and save and close. Your role will be created. Let's see how to create a role in system. So once you log in, navigate to this navigate on the left side, then navigate to tools, and under tools you need to go to security console. Once you go to security console, the first option on the left side is roles, and you find a create role button. You click on this role button, and you need to provide your role name, like I will say uh, any custom role. I'm just saying XX underscore role underscore one underscore test. So this is the role code, role category. Let me give it procurement abstract role. And then if I want to give any description, I can give test role for demo. Click on next. If you want to add any functional security policies, then let me say any buyer rule. I have added this buyer add selected privileges. So I'm creating something which is having the buyer rule, and along with the buyer, I will say it has the role of advanced procurement requester. Anyone new joining in the procurement team, I will say they should have this role. So that's why I said they should be able to create a requisition, create a PO. So they should be able to perform certain duties. So I'm just providing their roles, and I can even assign user here itself to whom this should be assigned, or I can assign this role to users. I'm not assigning that. So just click on next, save and close. XX role 1 test summary. So you will find that role is there. If I try to search this, XX underscore role 1 test, it's there. Let's see how to update custom role which we have created earlier. Once you are on security console screen on the left side, you can see the role section. Click on that and here search the with the name of role. And once you are able to search with the name of role, then you will be able to see here you will be able to search the role, and then you are able to I should say click on here, and then you can copy it. So we will see on the next slide. As I was saying, we need to click on that small drop down, and then you click on this edit role option from this menu. As soon as you click on that edit menu option, it will bring you to that same page which we have gone through while creating a custom role. So first is the basic details, then other details at different rail stops, then submit this later on. Once you have updated all your required inputs, then go to the summary section, summary page, and then save and close. So this will be updating your role details. Let's see how to update a role. Once you log in, you need to go to tools. Under tools, you need to navigate to security console. Under security console on the left side, you will find this role section. Search the role that you want to update. And from this drop down, select the edit role option. So here what you want to do, any additional role that you want to add to the existing role, you can go to the role hierarchy and you can add role specific, sorry, this is the task that you can perform, but I am looking to add additional roles here. So I will add some IT security manager. So whomsoever will have this custom role will have the IT security manager access as well. Next, go to summary, save and close. So in this way, the role has been updated. See how we can copy an existing role to create a new role. This is quite common step whenever we want to create some custom role. So first we see which is the nearest CD role and then we just copy it and then update our customization in that new custom role. Navigations are similar. Navigator, tool, security console. On the left side, you see the roles tab, and then on the right, you search this which role you want to copy. So once you search it, so this will once you provide the data, then click on this search. It will give you the list of all the privileges and different sub roles. Then click on this drop down. Once you click on that drop down, you will get this copy role option. In earlier step, it was the edit role we used. Now copy role option. Once you click on this copy role option, a pop-up window will appear and it will ask that copy top role or copy top role and inherited roles as well. Once you select appropriate option, then similar page will open where we edited, where we created role, different 10 stops, put the detail, and then at the end submit. As I was saying, once you complete everything, summary page will appear and on this submit and close. Let's see how to copy a role. Once you log in, you need to navigate to and then you need to navigate to tools and under tools you need to navigate to the security console. Security console on the left side you will find this role section where you need to search the so let's copy some existing seeded rules. Seeded means standard rules which Oracle has given, and Oracle is not recommending that you should update any of the existing seeded rules. So for that reason, you need to first make a copy of that, and then you need to edit or add some additional privileges. So let me take employee role. We have the employee role. This role first we need to copy. Let's make a copy of this role. So we need to click on this drop down. So here you find this drop down and in this you have the option of copy role. Here you can give, so you can copy only the role, top role, or you can copy the all inherited role which it has. So usually we select the second option and we create that new role by copying. So this is my copy role. So I will say my role and some role code is already there. So I will say underscore pk and copied for demo. I go to next and under this I can add additional privileges, additional roles. So let me add some buyer role. So in this custom role I have added employee role along with this buyer role. So in this way we can copy and create our role. Go to summary, submit and close. So in this way we have done uh, the process of copying a role.